Peace, fam. Guido here to give you a topic that I think is very interesting. But first, to my friends who have dry skin, sensitive skin, and skin issues in general, I want y'all to go to the HughGirls.com link in the description. Hit subscribe, and then you're going to get a 10% discount at the checkout. If you have skin issues, hit the Google search and type in warm flannel body butter. You'll see HughGirls.com links appear because Hugh Girls is known for relieving problematic dry skin, one exotic body butter at a time. Archaeological evidence indicates that human societies have been constantly present in all regions of Nigeria for several thousand years. Initially, their societies were decentralized in nature, focusing on small village or village group units. An example of ancient habitation in the region is the ELERU skull, an archaeological find that was discovered in an excavation site called ELERU in Nigeria. The ELERU fossil that dates to approximately 13,000 years old may be evidence of modern human possessing possible archaic human admixture or be a late persisting early modern human. This study was established around 2011, which would explain the lack of archaeological findings in the region, simply because the work has not been done as much as these studies have been in other regions of Africa that may be more known in the Eurocentric side of academics. The late Stone Age between roughly 10,000 BCE and 2000 BCE was a period of major firsts for human development in the territories in and around modern-day Nigeria. The first known human remains in the region were found in the ELERU rock shelter in what is now southwestern Nigeria and have been dated to around 9000 BCE. While humans must have lived in the area before this period, the Late Stone Age is unique historically for several different reasons. First, it has been widely postulated that this period was characterized by unprecedented levels of migration in the greater Nigerian area, particularly as people moved south from the savannah into the forest zones to escape the rapid deforestation of the Sahara. Second, it was during the Late Stone Age that humans in the greater Nigerian area began using stone tools called microliths, such as arrowheads, stone axes, and so forth. The introduction of stone tools in the early Late Stone Age led to the development of pottery by about 3000 BCE in most areas, and ultimately to the development of agriculture between 4000 and 1000 BCE, depending on the specific area in question. ELERU, in southwestern corner of the greater Nigerian area, shows distinct evidence of two phases of development. The aceramic phase, illustrated by stone tools, which lasted from roughly 10,000 to 5,000 BCE, and the ceramic phase, which is characterized by stone axes and pottery, illustrating a move towards agricultural activity in the period between 5000 and 1500 BCE. Unlike those in Europe or the Near East, most West African societies transited directly from the use of stone tools to iron tools without any intervening period of using softer metals such as copper or bronze, meaning that they had no Bronze Age. They went straight from the Stone Age to the Bronze Age. Evidence of ironworking and iron tools at archaeological sites dates from roughly the 7th century BCE at Taruga near Abuja in the Middle Belt region. If you want to learn more about early states and production complexes in ancient Nigeria, look up these sites that cover the various ecological regions of modern-day Nigeria, from Apa 1, ELERU, Ifetedu, and Ita Ogbolu in the southern forested region to Itakpa in the middle belt region, Mijero Cave, Afiko, and Rop in the Savannah zone, and Daima and other sites in the Chad Basin area of the Sahel. Observing this information perhaps will bring a new light unto the African American that they might not have seen before. The miseducation is my motivation behind segments like these, and to restore the knowledge of self-worth by exposing how the ancient peoples that led up to who we are now did operate freely and made major contributions to global society, regardless if it's music, food, and culture, or culture. This side of the world has also been the home of numerous technological advancements as well. Thanks for stopping by to view our content. Make sure you hit like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. And also, your small donations are very appreciated, and they will go towards improving our content and equipment that will allow us to give you all better content. If you would like to donate, please send it via Cash App to $ Afri-Culture 100. The link will be down in the description below. Sorry. Until next time, guys, peace. Matter of fact, leave comments and let me know what else you guys want to talk about and what you want to discuss. Guido, peace.